Hey loves, today's video is the first installment of my Colourpop Fade into Hue Monochromatic color series. I started off with the pink column. I love how this makeup came out and I am really excited to show you how I achieved this look. I'm starting off by placing Lovecraft directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using the Coastal Scents Blender Crease Brush. I am placing Aloe on the outer half of my lid using my Energy M124. With my Coastal Scents Small Shadow Brush, I am filling in the remainder of my lid with Fantasyland. For my brow bone highlight, I am using the LA Colors highlighter in the shade Shine Bright on my ColorMates eyeshadow brush. Before I apply my glitter, I'm first going to place down a thin layer of lash glue. I'm using the I Envy Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe in clear, and I am applying it on top of Fantasyland using my T.O. Y'all liner. Now I am placing Prismatic on top of that glue using the BH Cosmetics Small Flat Shader. I repeated this process twice because this glitter is so pretty and I wanted it to be really opaque. I applied the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. Then I followed with my favorite lash at the moment, which is the Lovet Luxury 3D Lash in the style 365. Now I am applying Paradise to my lower lash line using the Energy M111. On my waterline, I am using the Colourpop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Fluffy. To complete the eye makeup, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with Fantasyland using my Coastal Scents Detail Pointed Brush. I did most of my base makeup off camera. If you're interested in my full face makeup routine, that will be available in the description. Right now, I'm applying the Smoke and Mirrors blush in Exposed using my Real Techniques Mini Contour Brush. I am applying the Smashbox and Vlada Petal Metal Highlighter in Gilded Rose using my AOA F19. This is a beautiful rose gold highlighter and I thought it complemented this pink makeup look very well. And for my lip color, I am using the Maybelline Color Jolt Intense Lip Paint in Fight Me Fuchsia. Here's my completed makeup look. It came out perfect. I love everything about this makeup look. And the pink floral background just ties this whole video together. I really enjoyed filming and editing this video. And I also really enjoyed putting together a look using every color in the column in the Fade into Hue palette. Have you tried the Colourpop Fade into Hue palette yourself? Let me know what you thought about it down below in a comment. Check the description for all of the products that I used to create this makeup look. And until next time, bye loves!